We'd love to see you at DOYO Live in 2019. Hi everybody, Dennis Schrotti, founder of DOYO Live Digital Marketing Interactive Design Conference presented by iSynergy. Probably just picked up a postcard with this little guy's face on it, scanned that QR code, and that's how you got here. We have some amazing speakers lined up that are going to present on the how-tos of marketing, and this is geared at marketing professionals, business owners, sales designers. Hey, anybody that functions as a sales and marketing arm in a business, accountants, attorneys, chiropractors, all of you that are out there today that are in the need of figuring out this crazy world of digital marketing, content as a strategy, DOYO Live is the place for you. Not only did you get access to amazing breakout sessions, keynote by Joe Polizzi, some awesome deep dive workshops, there is unlimited networking opportunities. That's right, if you're doing business in the regional market, this is the place to be to come connect with other people. You're going to walk away having an amazing experience, learn something that you can implement in your business that exact day, and make a meaningful connection with other people. We've got swag, lunch is included, free parking right on site at Stambaugh Auditorium October 17th and 18th. Use the promo code DOYO, save yourself $15. Thanks for watching this quick video.